Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my good friend Bill in Arkansas on this Galaxy dx73v. Bill, we got your yard sale radio ready to go here. Made a few repairs to it, went through it, truckerized it, and she is ready to go, my friend. I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug going forward, half a watt carrier, 5 watts all the way up, 100-watt slug going forward, PEP mode, bottom set of scales. Hello audio. Hello audio. A good 40 watts out of it there, Bill. Not bad for a radio to stop production in 1991. Alrighty, Bill. She's ready to come back to Arkansas, my friend. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next video from truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.